Welcome to aminacademy.com. In engineering mechanics, let us discuss about deflection of helical spring in series and parallel, some solving problem. Look at this example. A weight P is attached to spring of stiffness C1 and C2 is in two cases as shown in figure. Find the period of vibration in both cases. Here the the load P. Here also the load P. Here stiffness C1, C2. Here C1 and C2. Here in first case that two springs are connected in series. Second spring in between, second system in between the load P is connected of two springs C1 and C2 stiffness. Now given weight equal P. We know that in this case both springs will be subjected to the weight P, therefore the total displacement of the springs equal P over C1 plus P, P over C2 which is equal, P is common, 1 over C1 plus 1 over C2. Now further P into C1 C2 C1 plus C2 and period of vibration equal 2 pi into displacement square root of displacement over acceleration. That is equal, therefore T equal 2 pi into P into C1 plus C2 over G into C1 C2. Now period of vibration, this is a first case. We'll write in this one, case 1. Now case 2, we know that in this case the upper spring will be subjected to tension where the lower spring will be subjected to compression. In this case here, due to this load, tension, this become compression. Therefore let P1 weight shared by upper spring, weight shared then P2 by by lower spring. Therefore, elongation of upper spring. Elongation of upper spring, that is delta 1 equal P1 by C1. On shortening of lower spring because of compression, that is delta 2 equal P2 by C2. Since the elongation of the upper spring is equal to the shortening of the lower spring, therefore delta 1 and delta are equal. Here delta 1 is equal to delta 2, therefore P1 by C1 equal P2 by C2. By cross multiplying, we'll get P1 C2 P2 C1. Therefore, also and load to load P1 plus P2 equal P. Therefore, from these two conditions, we can write instead of P1, we can write P minus P2 into C2 equal P2 C1. Then collecting P to one side, that is P2 into P2 C2, P2 C2. Now first we'll open this. PC2 minus P2C2 equal P2C1. Therefore, P2 common, C1 plus C2 equal PC2. Therefore, or you can write P2 by C2 equal P by C1 plus C2. Next here, now we can say, therefore, since we can write this one, P2 C2 equal delta 2, you know that the period of vibration in second case equal, that is T equal 2 pi displacement over acceleration, which is equal, therefore T equal 2 pi, that is P by C1 plus C2 into G. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.